What's up again, guys? In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Yes, this can brings you a lot of trouble into your Facebook section, but don't worry about it. We are here to help you out to get up in best and fastest way in this section. First thing what you need to do, you need to go on the three dots, you need to scroll down and you need to log out from your account. The second thing what you should do, you can go up to your Play Store. On the search box you need to type for Facebook. You need to go up on it and then you need to make sure also that you have the latest version of Facebook. If you don't have it, you're gonna have the chance to update on your right side with a green upping side. But if you have the latest version, just go for uninstall, then reinstall it, the application again, and open it to get up sure that this problem is not on your side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys, and go bye.